but you're doing this. Okay, and you're trying to do the arm bar here. There's no space here to break his arm. I'm just pulling against me. I'm not going to break his elbow. Okay, so when you turn, go back. And I'm here. And I turn. I only turn to here.
Oh.
On my side.
Okay.
I don't go flat on my back. Now look at the space.
Now keeping that leg semi-straight
Yes.
is preventing him from
Looping his arm out. If I leave this lax here, he gets his arm out.
Okay.
Okay. Here, if the arm bends, I do another variation of a kimura here, where if the arm bends, I catch it this way. And I do the kimura that way instead of the conventional way, where this arm would be over. Okay, I don't bother switching. If he bends the arm, I just catch the wrist, catch my wrist, and do it that way. Okay? But always keep in mind to keep this straight. And then, like I said, there's other things. If he loops the arm out, it starts coming on top, you start working for the triangle. Here, or omoplata, wherever he falls into. Okay? But the whole purpose is don't turn flat on your back and try to break the arm. So your arm's flat on you. Only turn to your side and kick that leg straight, keep his arm in. Now you have all that space to hug and break the arm.
I see that real quick.
Yes. Okay. Here. 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 Look. Now look. Don't do this. See, look, his arm. See? No space here to break. Okay? I want to turn it to here and straighten my arm. Now look at the space. That. See? I want the space to break his elbow, hyperextend his elbow. Okay?
The arm can't be flat to your chest or something.
No, because you give it no room to break. Make sense?